You know, you guys really have a lot of trust in me, which you should. I'm a trustworthy guy, but to you, I should just be another guy on the internet. I don't think I've gotten one single comment since the YZ300 giveaway asking where the video is of giving the YZ300 away. It's because the YZ300 is sitting right here in my garage. What? You lied to us? No, hold your horses. The reason it's been a month and a half and the YZ300 has still been in my living room is because Trenten from Wisconsin, who won the bike, has been figuring out his time off work and when he could come out here to come ride. But his flight is booked and he's coming out next week, which means I need to get the dust and dog hair that's been collecting on this thing removed, get this dang front brake working a little better, and install Trenten's fresh graphics courtesy of DeCal Works. I also opted to keep this front number plate as a souvenir from this build. So MX Plastics hooked it up with a freshie, so we'll be mounting Trenten's number on this one and I'll be keeping the 531. This has also been sitting for a month and a half and I have not tried to start it. So let's see if she fires, but I don't know if the flops are a good move. Oh, wait a second. We've got an electric start. She smells good. Well, Trenten, your steed awaits. I'll see you next week. Absolutely stoked to see this girl shred some dirt once again. I hope you like it.